Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about investing in a 401k. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. Today, I want to talk about investing in a 401k. As you already know, wealth building, it's a process we all have to go through. Sometimes, based on your income, wealth building could take 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. For some individual, it could take them 5 years to generate a large sum of wealth. But generally, it's a process. You have to go through a process to generate wealth. So I believe a 401k is a good thing to use to help build and generate wealth over a long period of time. So if your employer offers a 401k plan at your workplace, I highly recommend to enroll into it. I know there may be a lot of excuses. A lot of people may say, well, I barely making ends meet. That little bit of money, I do not want to take it and put it in the 401k. I need it to pay bills, take care of my needs, and so on and so forth. But the 401k is designed to help individuals to build wealth. It's a mechanism you can use. So, for example, if your employer matches the 401k plan, this is huge if they matches the 401k plan. For example, let's say your take-home pay is $1,000. I'm just drawing for reference. And if you put in $200 in the 401k, your employer will put 200. So basically, you'll be investing $400 per month in your 401k, which is big. So the match is huge. So you do not want to miss out on that. It's like free money. Some other employers may match 50% and not 100. Still, it's good. So for example, on this, let's take into account the same $1,000 take-home salary. You put in 200, they match up to 50%. That means they're going to be matching 50% of the 200, which is 100. So in all, you still get $100 of free money, which means your total investment into your company's 401k is 300. So I believe, with no doubt, anybody that works for an employer that offers a 401k plan should enroll in it. That's one way and one thing you could use to build wealth over a long period of time. You don't have to retire worrying about money and worrying about, oh, I'm going to be 65. What am I going to do? Do I need to take a job to pay my bills because Social Security is not going to be available? You don't have to be thinking about all those kind of things. So if your employer offers a 401k plan, you should definitely enroll in it and use this as a mechanism to build wealth over a long period of time. So let's take another situation. Let's look at another example, another situation where your income, your take home salary is $3,000. So out of that $3,000, let's say you contribute to your 401k plan $250, and your employer matches 100%, matches up to 100%. So you get an extra 250 free money, which means your total investment is $500 a month. So let's say you never get a raise again at this particular job. You stay at this job taking home $3,000 a, a month. And you stayed in this job for, let's say, 10 years, and you invest $500 a month for 10 years. This is a lot of money. This could be close to six figures or exceeding over six figures in retirement income. And let's say you leave this job after 10 years, you go to a next job and you roll over the 401k to the next job and you enroll in the next employer 401k plan. You're gonna, with compound interest, your wealth will be building, you'll be growing wealth. And there's a very good chance, if you keep doing that until 65, you could become a millionaire with just this simple formula of taking your employer 401k seriously and enrolling and investing in it. That's why the 401k is very important. And that's why I want everyone, whatever your situation, enroll in your employer 401k plan if they have one. If it's offered to you, enroll in it. It will make a big difference. There's always the talk about, well, you know what? I'm trying to build wealth, but I cannot because of this, because of that. But this is one of the ways you can actually build wealth. And everyone should take this serious. No one should be missing out on this. This is huge. And of course, you want to increase your income as time goes on. So if you increase your value in terms of getting a degree, seeking a job that's wanted in the market, and increase your salary probably to $50,000, $60,000, then you can invest more into the 401k plan. For example, let's say you're making $60,000 a year, and out of that money, you decide to invest, let's say, $1,000 a month, and your employer matches it. This is big. I mean, you can become a millionaire probably in 15, 20 years if you stay with this same company that offering you the match. Let's just say you invest $800 a month and your employer matches it. That's $1,600 a month and you stay in the company for 10 years. So you'll be investing $1,600 a month for the next 10 years. This is going to be huge. This money with compounding will grow. So I just want to emphasize that the 401k is very, very important, and it's a mechanism that can be used to build wealth. And I want everyone to go and find out if employer offers a 401k plan, and if your employer does, enroll in it. You could also look at your current employment situation. Look at your title at the company you're working at and see if there is ways you could probably advance. See if they offer any training opportunities for you to improve your skill set. And if they do, take those opportunities to learn more skills, to improve yourself, So you could actually get a promotion. With a promotion, as you know, you're going to increase your pay. That also will help you to have more money coming in, where you could invest more into your 401k. I just think you do not want to miss out on the 41 investing in the 401k. You just do not want to do that. You can definitely retire financially stable. You definitely will build wealth using your employer 401k. There's no doubt about that. So I just want to say, take this serious. Do not miss out on this great opportunity, the 401k. If your employer offers it, enroll into it. You will see a big change. And very importantly, also keep in mind, wealth building is a process, as I said. It's not something, it's not a get rich quick thing. You have to go through the process. And based on your income, as I said, it will take time. It could take 5 years, as I said earlier on. It could take 10, could take 15, could take 20. But you just put in a piece, a part of your income into the 401k plan. So another thing you could do is, most that will definitely help you, is get yourself on a budget. Always create a monthly budget, and that will help you to see where your money going to. Allocate part of that money into 401k. Creating the budget will help you to have enough money left over after you invest in it. You do not want to just go spending money and do not keep track of where your money is going at. You want to be doing that. So get yourself on a budget for sure. Create a monthly budget for yourself and your income. And out of that budget, have a plan to invest in your company's 401k plan. And I recommend also have this automatically taken out from your paycheck every month. Just go to the HR department or payroll department in your company and ask them to take out a percentage of your salary into the 401k. And with that, the company automatically match, so you do not miss out. So I just wanted to come out today to on this video to talk about investing in a 401k, which is a very important mechanism to help build wealth in the long run. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.